Allan Vito Flores Caidic, born June 15, 1963, is a Filipino former professional basketball player, coach, and executive who is currently serving as consultant for San Sebastian Stags. He is considered by many to be the greatest shooter the country has ever produced, thus earning the moniker the Triggerman. He played college hoops at the University of the East before joining the PBA in 1987, where he broke several Philippine and PBA all-time records, including the most points scored in a single game, 79 points, the most three-point field goals made in a single game, 17 triples, breaking his previous record of 15 triples, the most consecutive free throws made, 76, and the most three-point field goals in a career, 1,242 triples, later surpassed by Jimmy Alapag. He has played with several PBA teams and won numerous championships. He played for the Philippine national basketball team, including the 1998 Philippine Centennial team. While in the league, he was considered one of the best three-point shooters in Asia. The vaunted Chinese national basketball team recognized his ability by always reminding their players to be on the lookout for Filipino 8, referring to Caidic's regular jersey number while playing for the national team. San Miguel Beerman. In 1993, Caidic was acquired by the San Miguel Beerman after his former team was sold to STA, Lucia Realty and Development, Inc., and renamed STA, Lucia Realtors. During his time with San Miguel, he teamed up with Samboy Linnet to form the league's deadliest scoring duo in the 1990s and led the Beerman to the 1993 All-Filipino Cup Finals. He ended the season winning the PBA Governor's Cup Championship with San Miguel and earned the 1993 PBA All-Star Most Valuable Player award after leading his team to victory, scoring 40 points, the second highest points scored in a single All-Star game, and 9 triples, the most three-point field goals made in a single All-Star game. He became the first PBA player ever to win the MVP awards in the regular season and in the All-Star game. In 1994, San Miguel won the right to represent the country in the Asian Games after winning the PBA All-Filipino Cup Conference title. In the Asian Games, the Beerman formed the core of the national team with some loaned players from the other PBA ball clubs like Alvin Patrimonio and Johnny Abarientos. The national team finished 4th, but he finished as the Asian Games basketball tournament leading scorer and was named in the All-Tournament Mythical 5 selection. In 1995, he became the 8th player to score 10,000 career points in the PBA history and the league's first player to score 1,000 career three-point field goals. He went on to win the PBA Governor's Cup Best Player of the Conference after leading the San Miguel Beermen to the finals. He finished the season as the league's leading point scorer with 20.9 points per game, the last guard ever to lead the league in season best point scoring average in the 20th century. On April 29, 1997, in a game between the Gordons Gin and the San Miguel Beermen, he suffered a serious career-threatening injury. The incident took place when he jumped for a rebound. He collided with teammate Nelson Acetono, fell on the floor head first, vomited, and remained on the court motionless before he was removed from the arena and taken to the hospital. He made a successful recovery from that injury, and in 1998, he was selected by Tim Cone for the Philippine Centennial team bound for the William Jones Cup, where he scored 25 points with 6 triples against Southeast Asian rival Thailand and the Asian Games. The team started their international campaign against China and a PBA All-Star selection, but had a dismal display in the PBA Centennial Cup. They went to a tough United States Midwest tour and won the William Jones Cup in Taiwan. In the Asian Games, the Nationals easily won their group stage but lost in the semifinal and settled for third after beating Kazakhstan in their final game. Post-playing career, retirement, and coaching. In 1999, Caidic became the playing coach of the Barangay Ginebra Kings after a sudden resignation of interim coach Reno Salazar. In 2000, as a playing coach, he placed himself in the reserved unprotected player list for the Barangay Ginebra Kings to protect other important players in the team. The expansion team Red Bull picked unprotected players from the dispersal draft, which includes himself, and got his rights. To avoid leaving Ginebra and playing for Red Bull, he announced his retirement and decided to hang up his jersey that year. His early retirement ended a long, distinguished career that started in 1984 as an amateur guest player in the PBA. He also became the third PBA player after Raymond Fernandez and Boggs Adornado to be given the honor of retiring the jersey number by a PBA team, and was the first by 2 PBA teams, the San Miguel Beermen and the Barangay Ginebra Kings. Both franchises retired his number 8 jersey in honor of his legacy in the PBA. In the same year, he was named in the PBA 25 greatest players ever to play in the league's history after the PBA celebrated its 25th year as the first professional basketball league in Asia. After his retirement, he remained with Ginebra as a full-time head coach, and despite reaching the 2001 PBA All-Filipino Cup Finals, he piloted Ginebra to one of its worst season runs in its franchise history. Due to fans' uproar, management blinked and promoted him as team manager in 2004. He also served as the national team's assistant coach in 2002 and was an active participant of the San Miguel Corporation All-Stars, a group composed of several former professional basketball players. On June 15, 2006, on his 43rd birthday, he fittingly released his autobiographical book, My Life, Allan Caidic, The Triggerman, one of the first sports biographies by a Filipino athlete. In November 2006, after a reshuffling between the then for San Miguel Corporation teams, he became the team manager of the Coca-Cola Tigers. But he left in March 2007 to become assistant coach of the Barangay Ginebra Kings. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.